What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to go over all the mods and aesthetics and anything that I've done with my 2019 Honda Accord. So a lot of you might know I have a 1.5. So I'm going to go over all the stuff that I've done with it, and I'm going to link all the products, all the materials that and where I got them down by the description down below. So let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to start in front fascia first. So I've done a chrome delete on the grill, and I know a lot of people have been asking me, where did I get this? Where did I get my emblem? How did I paint it? What kind of paint it is and whatnot. So these are reflective vinyl from Oakman Designs. So I also have the honeycomb grill with the vinyl as well. They are reflective vinyl. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and probably right now. Alright, so next we have the Akasaka fog light. For the fog light as well, this is ice blue overlay vinyl. I got this from eBay, but then I'm going to drop the link down by description box below. And also I've done the lower lip, the black trim. So if you're living in New York, you get a lot of rock chips and whatnot. And then next, if we're gonna look from afar of the car looks lowered. A lot of people have been telling me if I'm lowered. No, I'm not. I'm on stock height, and I don't know why people think I'm lowered, but I'm not. It's probably just the profile of the tires. But if you look at the body kit, the front lip itself, right over here, yes, I know it's damaged. Right over here, it is damaged. It's because I just got my car back not too long ago from the dealership. And you know, dealership doesn't really care about modification that you've done to your car. I took my car to the dealership, but then that's another story. So this one is like coming off already. And then at the same time, right over here, they messed up my whole lip, guys. A whole lip. Anyways, that's not the point of it. And also in the front, I have 35% windshield. It's an Expel ceramic tint. And also I wrapped my roof, and also at the same time I had the rain guards, or whatever you want to call this. And on top of that, I have the overlay, the chrome delete for the window as well. And also along the side, that's the Oakman right over here on the door handles. Those are from Oakman Designs. Right over here, that's his logo. And at the same time, on my windows, I have 15% Expel ceramic tint as well. And also, if you guys, I know I haven't uploaded a lot lately, but 10th Gen Ace on my Instagram is no longer valid. I don't know, for some reason I can't log into it. I got logged out. I'm not hacked, but then I believe it's just like a lot of people reported my Instagram before, and now I can't log in. So I guess, or I believe, Instagram is trying to delete my account. And also we're gonna go over my wheels. So these are Innovate wheels. These are special color. So it's a matte black. I'm sorry, the car is like dirty. So I have a dark chrome right over here. You can't really see it since it's dirty, as you can see. And at the same time, my brake setup is from Brake Performance. I have the cross-drilled slotted rotors with the ceramic pads. And moving on, I also have the Yofer side skirt. As you can see, right over here, it makes the car a little bit lower. So let me back up a little bit and show you the profile of the car. As you can see, right over there, that's the side view. And also I have the side apron, Yofer as well. This one, I actually like them. It makes the car give you the complete look. And it's just that the size of my tires, by the way, is 245 by 35 and 19s. And the rims, they are 19 inches and 8.5. And then, I don't know, some people think I have spacers on it, but no, I don't. I'm actually thinking about adding spacers on it. But moving along, on the back side, I had 20%, and then they added another 15. or 35, I'm not sure, but the back side, it's darker. I believe it's like 10 right now. And on top of that, I have the rear, what do you call that? I keep forgetting the name of this one, but yeah, I have that one. And at the same time, obviously, I have the trunk spoiler from Amazon or eBay, I believe. I don't know, guys. I keep forgetting where I got all this stuff from. And at the same time, I have the V4s, the smoke taillight V4s. And at the same time, if right over here, I have the Suquential light. Right over here, I have the Suquential lights. This has a cord. I believe this one is like V2s. I'm not quite sure, I forgot. And anyways, of course, complete look of the Oakman designs in the back as well. And obviously, we can't forget the Yofer Diffuser body kit. And moving along, I have the Akasaka quad tip. And on my previous video, I know I showed you that I painted this black, and it was kind of my mistake that I didn't really like buff it out and then spray it with a primer. I did spray this with a primer, but at the same time, I didn't buff it out to like what you call this, to keep the paint on the metal itself. But anyways, I beat it up. I kind of beat up the car a little bit during winter. So that's why the paint peeled off. So let me just back up a little bit. I'm gonna show you the complete look of the car. So that's what it looks like in the back. I actually like it. And moving along, let me just show you. So that is the offset of my tires in the back. So I don't know why people would think I have spacers, but I don't. It's completely stock. It's in stock height, stock suspension, and then I don't have any spacers as well. And as you can see, right over here, the front is like sticking up a little bit. So let me just show you quick turnaround of the car. So I have 15%, just like what I mentioned, on the windows, and then 30 on the windshield. So it's not really that dark, but a lot of people would say it is dark, but you can still see inside as well. But yeah, that's what the car looks like. And I'm gonna give you a quick look around of the vehicle. Alright, so that's pretty much it for what I've done with the aesthetic mods, and now we're gonna go over with the engine. Nothing really performance that I did, and I know some of you are gonna roast me that I have a dirty engine bay. I know I've been saying it a lot on my video that I'm gonna do an engine bay to clean it up, but still no time. There's always no time. Anyways, I added some hood struts for my hood. So this is carbon fiber as well. I like it since it's blue. And on top of that, I have the brace one, upper brace mount. It actually helps a lot, if believe it or not. And on top of that, I have the Takeda intake. And I know I broke a couple clips. Actually, I only broke one. I don't know where the other two went. So I'm guessing that's a dealer problem, or it's the dealer's fault. Anyways, I'm not bashing on anyone. On top, and I don't know why this one was clear, but I got it back. This is what it came back to me. I always check my vehicle every time I take my car to the dealership, and there's always something wrong with it. All right, moving along. I also have the this is the multicolored high beam, just like what I showed you earlier. These are the wire. I just kind of hooked it up, and I was like thinking about fixing it up a little bit later on, but then I never really had time, so I just secured it like that. And I ran the wire like in the back. Oh, that one came off. So this one someone's gonna bash on me like, oh, you shouldn't be hanging that. But so this was very organized. I don't know what the dealer did, so I have to get this fixed. More like I have to fix this, and that's pretty much it. I know I have a dirty engine bay, but anyways, that is my engine bay. It looks like, I know I had so much plans for this, but never really had time, and it's at the same time it's the money wise, and that's pretty much it. I've never done anything so heavy in a car aside from the aesthetic wise and performance. Nothing really. So that's pretty much what it looks like, guys. Alright, so now we finished the exterior mods that I've done. I know it's not much. I like it to keep it simple. Now we're moving inside. So first I added some carbon fiber trim on each door panels. At the same time I have the Accord, but it's a little beat up already. And I got this from Amazon. And also I have the Diamante floor mats. They are customized. And also I have the accelerator and then the brake as well. These are non-slip, so they're pretty good. And at the same time, this is my controller for the footwell lighting. And I know the car is a mess right now. Like, it's a mess right now since I just got it back. I have no time to wash it whatsoever since it's been crappy lately. And at the same time, I have the one-up lighting dash lights. And also I added some emblem right over here. I know it's not going to be glow in the dark inside, but I just added it just for the aesthetics for me. Also I have the extended pedal shifters from Amazon. On top of that, I have the Uniden R3, plus I have the Vantru dash cam. So let me just close the car right here. So now I close the door. This what does 15% looks like, and this is 35. It's not that dark, and even at nighttime I could still see very well, so it's not that bad. So that's what it looks like, and I'm just gonna roll down the window, start the car, roll the window down. That's the difference right over here. So this is the actual light, and then this is the tint. So there's that. And what else did I do interior wise? So that's pretty much it. Even on the passenger side, it's not that much. And the only thing I don't like about the carbon fiber trim that I added on the door panel for the passenger side is that it covers the lock and unlock button for that. For some reason I can't find it, but then at the same time I was thinking about doing it myself, but I decided not to since there's a lot of things going on. So anyways, let's move to the back seat. And as for the back seat, I also have the carbon fiber trim, and also the welcome note saying Accord, and also the floor mat. I only use this floor mats during winter since it's very nice, but then when it comes to winter or it starts raining, I change it to Lasfit. But anyways, that's pretty much what it looks like. I know the car is a mess right now. I'm with my siblings. So, but anyways, that's what the car looks like from interior wise. And also, like I mentioned earlier, 10th Gen Ace is no longer valid for my Instagram. So make sure to follow my new Instagram, which is 10th Gen Ace 2. I'll leave the link down below. And I know, please follow me in there. If you're trying to reach out or if you have any questions, but that's pretty much it. I know it's going to be hard for me to get back to my old followers, but it is what it is. That's life. I had to move on. I had to start fresh since I can't really log into my old Instagram for some reason. I don't know why. And I tried to ask Facebook, even on Instagram. I tried to reach out to them about my social media handle, but it seems like they can't. I don't know. They can't figure it out what's wrong with it. But that's not the point of this. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys find this very informative and helpful as well on what I have or what I've done with the vehicle itself. So if you guys have any more questions, just let me know. Drop them by the comment section below, or you could just DM me on my Instagram, and I promise I will get back to you as soon as I can. I always read all of your comments and whoever messages me, believe it or not. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. And at the same time, like, comment, share this video, and don't forget to follow me on my new Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.